morning, guys. Today is December 24th. It's Christmas Eve. I am still working this week. I'm taking you guys along on these last few days leading up to Christmas. Technically, Christmas is tomorrow and the rest of the week. I'm working today and I'm also working tomorrow on Christmas Day. So it's going to be a really interesting week. My consultant's off this week. The co-trainee is off as well. So it's just me and the new F1. I'm going to be going into work an hour late because I've got a GP appointment this morning. But I woke up to the most beautiful sunrise hues. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. Got my cup of matcha here. Got the Christmas tree right behind you guys. And the sky, obviously the windows there. So I'm just going to take it all in, meditate for a bit and just journal. So that's going to be the start of my morning routine. So later on, you're going to come with me to GP surgery and then we're going to go together to work. Cervical smear test done. Here's your reminder. If you've been putting off your GP appointments, girlies, please make sure you've booked one and get your yearly smear test done. Off to work now. I've never seen the tube station this empty. It's usually so crowded. I really struggle to find myself a seat. I for sure know I'm going to find myself a seat. Anyway, I'm going to be back at work tomorrow because I for sure know that someone's going to be coming in tonight to get admitted to the ward. So I need to come in to review them. So at least I know I'm coming in definitely. We'll see what else happens. Trains here. Look at him watching this. I'm like, oh. Christmas Eve actually. Tomorrow is Merry Christmas, right?
It's the Christmas season. Everything goes.
Okay, Dean, I'll keep wishing you. Check if there's been, what's not called an overnight and what's not overnight. Morning, everyone. Today is December 25th, which is Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas to everyone watching. I'm sat in the office space on the office desk because I'm on call today. I'm on 24-hour on call starting from Christmas morning, 9 a.m. to Boxing Day morning, which is 9 a.m. tomorrow on 26th December. I think I kind of knew I was going to go back in to work today because obviously when it's out of hours, it depends on if there's any new admissions, what the A&E situation's like and all of that. Which reminds me, I need to call A&E as well. I kind of knew there was a new admission that was coming in because yesterday when I was on the ward, we kind of were anticipating this person coming in yesterday and it didn't happen for various different reasons because they were medically uncleared from A&E, and I kind of knew that, okay, so if they don't come in yesterday, I was hoping they would come in during the hours I was there on the ward so I didn't have to go in today, but it's fine. It is what it is. I need to remind myself I get to do this. I get to work on Christmas Day. I get to help people get better on Christmas Day, and I get to do that from comfort of home. And I've worked really hard throughout my training years to get to this position. So I just need to be grateful. I need to keep reminding myself of that on a cold Christmas morning, I've got my loved ones, I've got roof over my head, I've got hot cup of matcha in my hand, and I'm sitting in this glorious office space, which is my dream space and whatnot. So I need to keep reminding myself of that. So quick gratitude chat later. I'm going to go in this afternoon to see them. I'm just going to push it a little bit because they're settled. The whole intention is that if anything else comes in between now and then I'm there and I can see them. It's not urgent to go in, so I'll go at midday. So that means I can go for church service with Dean, and I know it really means to him. He's in the kitchen and he can hear me, so I'm just whispering. from there on I'll go into work, and hopefully this is the only bit I'm going to go in for. I'll call A&E now and see what the situation like is over there. But yeah, for now that's the start. Obviously it goes without saying that I'm going to take you guys along. It's been a while that the London Doctor Diaries episodes has been heavily work related. It's been more so about life outside of work. This episode would have started yesterday. So yesterday was like a pretty busy Christmas Eve day at work. I came home and had a relaxing time, slept early, so I've woken up feeling very fresh. I'm not feeling tired at all on my on-call day. So I'm ready from the get-go to crack on and take on whatever is headed my way. That's my spiel this morning. I'm going to read through the notes of this person, although there's not much there because I kind of read it yesterday already. So I sort of know. So all that I would need to read is the admission clocking if this person has in any way disclosed anything more than what I already read. Alrighty then, let's call A&E. Hi, it's Monisha this side, the on-call SPR. This is looking like a busy day. So I've got someone waiting in A&E. Then I know the A&E and the hospital where I need to go and see this new admission. 40 minutes away from A&E, and then I need to see them there. That's going to take some time, and then from there to the other hospital an hour and a half, and then I'm going to see this person there. That's going to take some time, and from the hospital to back home again is an hour and a half. So I think I've got my hands full for the rest of the day. Alright, I'm going to just spend some time with Dean now. Let me take you out of the kitchen. He's packing my lunch for me. What a cutie. Why are you such a cutie?
Because I'm a cutie.
Thank you for calling. Okay, I love this fluffy fleece coat from 𝗏𝗶𝗹. Also, I'm wearing these cute Barbie pink scrubs. It's Christmas Day, and obviously I'm on call. I need to go in for a whole set of rounds around different hospitals. Just wanted to feel comfortable. I almost feel like I'm still wearing my pajamas or PJs and I'm in at work. I'm going to call for the cab and off we go to work. I'm just packing my bag to go into work, but I realized that there were presents from the physio and the activities coordinator on the ward. Oh! Wow. It's supposed to be really good, by the way. These chocolate buttons, everybody talks about it at work. She got me a card, so cute. And then the activities coordinator, she got this.
Just what you wanted, yeah?
Thank you so much. Okay, let's pack and go to A&E now. Done with the MHA. Now I'm off to the other hospital. Let's go. Finally done with seeing the new admission. Now I've called for a cab. It's going to arrive in the next couple of minutes, and then off I go home. The ward I went to is the one I work regularly, so I know all the patients, I know the nurses and everyone there. And seeing all the patients over there, yeah, it just made me feel a lot more grateful for what I have. A reminder to look after your health. Yeah, my cab's come. Off I go. Righty, I'm back home now, and I'm having a late lunch now. What's the time? Wow, I'm having lunch at 5:30 p.m. This is not lunch then. What is this? This is early dinner. It's lunch, brunch, early dinner. Hopefully this is how it remains for the rest of the shift. Currently watching Harry Potter and Sorcerer's Stone. Yeah, that's all I've got. An update for you guys. So you'll just watch me eat. It's 8:30 p.m. and I thought that was that. I've been called in to go see someone in A&E. They're waiting for mental health act assessment. So I'm gonna go change again to scrubs and take you guys along with me to A&E again. It's 12 a.m. and I'm on my way home now. And I'm back home again. What's the time right now? It's almost 1 a.m. Come back home to have my dinner. This is the most random body clock kind of day. I'm literally having dinner at 1 a.m. But it is what it is. We're going to resume watching Harry Potter movie. Dean hasn't had dinner either. So he's exhausted as well. He's going to have dinner with me now, and we're going to continue watching Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, Sorcerer's Stone. These are the last 8 hours remaining, and then I've got a long stretch of annual leave coming up. You know, at one point, by the way, I couldn't log into my laptop, and I was like, is IT going to be available at 10 p.m. in the night? Phone is still on general mode. My instincts are telling me it was more than enough for one on-call shift. Morning everyone, it's Boxing Day. So I'm officially done with my final working day of the year in 2024. Wow. And the next time I'm going to go into work is going to be in 2025. Got a really long break from now until then. I was meant to actually go to India during this time, bring in New Year's with my family and everything. However, there's been this whole chaotic thing that's been going on in terms of our British residence permit. What's essentially happened is that everybody's British residence permit expires on 31st December 2024 because they're kind of switching it into e-visa situation, but they haven't properly sorted that out. So a lot of the countries aren't aware about it. I know a few people who were traveling, and then once they had to board planes back to UK, there were lots of confusion at the airport, not letting them board planes to come back to the UK. I really don't want to be in a situation like that. Yeah, I just thought that it's not worth the risk, and it's just a matter of a few more months, and then in the summer I can go visit my family, or my family come down to visit me. And so yeah, essentially I'm not going. I had a bit of a meltdown, felt really bad, and my entire family is going to be together in 𝗦𝗡, and that's a tradition. It's been the case for many years. They bring in New Year's Eve together, and yet again I'm missing it this year. Every year it's been because of exams, it's been CASC exams or paper B or whatnot, and I'm missing it again this year. Hopefully this is the last time, and from next New Year's Eve onwards I'm going to be spending it every single year with my family back home in India. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm going to be just sat here in London, which is also something I need to be grateful about. So I'm going to maybe explore UK and do things like that. I can't travel to Europe because I don't have a Schengen visa, a valid Schengen visa right now. So I'll try and explore the country I'm living in, and sometimes you forget your own backyard. So that's what I'm going to do. Today is Boxing Day. Boxing Day is big in the UK. Everybody goes shopping. There's mad sales. I literally woke up to so many emails this morning wherein it's just like all brands are sending in crazy discounts, and it's really tempting. But I do have a few things on my wish list that I want to purchase, and few things I need, few things I want. So I'll first figure out the few things that I need and then get to the ones I want. There's no public transportation, or else we would have gone to Westfield in 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗏, but that's not going to happen because you have to pay a ridiculous amount for cabs. So I'm not going to do that. So whatever little stores we have here in High Street and online shopping is what I'm going to do. Dean has made this delicious spread. All of this has been made by Dean. So we've got breakfast ready. Gonna have breakfast, journal, and off we go to shop.
Going out of my comfort zone and getting some color.
Yeah.
Step down,
Yeah.
touching our legs, going forward.
Merry Christmas. Belated Merry Christmas. Been a while. We've got some pub food. Belated Christmas meal. So let's begin. Morning everyone. Today is December 29th and we are hosting our first house party ever. Like, we used to host so many house parties back in India when we used to live there, but obviously we moved to the UK and moved to a really tiny space and just couldn't have all our friends in one place. Now that we've moved to a bigger place, one of the reasons was to be able to invite our friends over, and we are so excited to finally have our friends over for Christmas. I think from next year I'll try and do the Christmassy thing early on in December and not so far late into December, but obviously we didn't know we were going to move to a bigger place. It happened so quickly. Dean is cooking up a storm. I was the sous chef today. I am the entertainer, so I've kind of organized the home and I've planned a few games and everything. I almost sound like it's a kids' party. We do have one of our friends bringing their daughters. She's one of my first friends I made in the UK, so all the people who are invited are like really close friends, like family. I think I'm fully ready. Is this ring not going? Okay, this is going to be a task. The couches don't look that aesthetically pleasing, but I've covered them in our throws just in case anyone drops food. It's more user-friendly than aesthetic, but it's okay, I guess.
wanted our closest friends and people who always supported us through all these years to be with us. Your friendship and cheers.
Now it sounds like 𝗏𝗏𝗏. This is the most amount of silence there is.
Done? Done.
How are you done?
I just got it.
5,757. No, Robbie. I think you've got more of a chance of winning than me because I've got number letters. That's 1 in 10.
Wait, was that the one that you didn't need?
I didn't need it, yeah. 30% chance.
5,555. Bingo!
Well done.
I mean check. Someone else check. 1, 2, 3.
I got the whole thing.
Morning, guys. Today is December 30th. We are 1 day away from New Year's arriving, from 2025 finally entering into our lives. I just wanted to quickly come on here to talk about yesterday. We finally hosted our first friends get together at home. We've been wanting to do this for such a long time and feel so happy and so full, other than the bit that I've woken up to a messy home, which is always a byproduct of, having lots of people over. So I think today and tomorrow is going to go in cleaning and getting the place in order before the new year arrives. I've got some leftover food from yesterday because there's nothing like leftover food from a party, honestly. Like, it takes me back to my med school days. I also wanted to come here to say that for the new year, I'm in two minds about the kind of videos I want to put out. I do want to put out vlogs, but at the same time I do want to put out videos which are not really storytelling, but at the same time storytelling with a bit of science and health related stuff. I don't know if I should be doing that or should I stick to vlogs if that feels like more comfort watch for you guys. So do let me know in the comments what would you like to see in 2025 on this channel. I think that's all. That's my spiel. I've been talking for 3 minutes now. Once I switch on camera I can't stop talking, so I'm just going to gorge on this food and continue editing my video.
Something's tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within, 'cause Christmas time is here.
Today is December 31st and we are off for our baking class. So this is how we are bringing in our New Year's Eve, going in to do exactly what we absolutely love doing. Super excited. I will post all the details and the link obviously down below, and we're going to make scones.
I will be famous.